and enjoys an excellent production environment. Xinfeng specializes in production of packaging machinery, including composite roll cardboard production lines, high-speed computer-controlled spiral transverse cutting machines, hydraulic shaftless supports, full automatic paper receiving machines, and full automatic paper collecting machines. With independent development and manufacturing capacity, Xinfeng can reach the high-tech level in sustainably developing equipment, constantly overcome shortcomings of domestic and foreign packaging machinery, and produce high-speed, consumption-reducing, durable, energy-saving, safe, automatic machinery. As it has engaged lots of talents, now Xinfeng has solid technical strength, high-tech design personnel, precision production equipment, advanced testing methods, a strict quality management system, and a skilled production team. Over the years, Xinfeng has strived to make innovations with determination and pursue excellence to steadily improve product quality. Xinfeng has been well received by new and regular users for timely delivery and good services. Xinfeng has taken the revitalization of China's packaging industry as its responsibility and cooperated with users wholeheartedly. In the future, we'll meet customer demands with quality products and better after-sales services. The composite roll cardboard production line is suitable for churning 2 to 6 layer roll paper, weighing 60 to 600 grams per square meter, into cardboard of different thicknesses and specifications by hydraulic shaftless supports, overhead conveyors, automatic paper receiving machines, preheaters, automatic edge aligning machines, glue spreading machines, fusing machines, trimming machines, drying, cooling and forming machines, traction and slitting machines, transverse cutting machines, and stacking machines. It can also stick all kinds of surface roll paper weighing 60 to 200 grams per square meter onto all kinds of base roll paper to form special composite cardboard. It can also roll composite paper weighing less than 600 grams per square meter into required roll paper. The production line has many strong points, such as reasonable design, compact structures, high-level automation, easy maintenance operation, and energy conservation. The whole production line utilizes the internationally advanced delta frequency conversion and Siemens control systems, overcomes various shortcomings of other laminating machines. It is ideal cardboard production equipment for you. The hydraulic paper carrying machine is used to transport raw paper on the ground to the production station. It adopts a double shaft 4-arm structure. The raw paper on both sides can independently go up and down and be clamped tightly, loosen and moved horizontally towards right and left sides through the hydraulic station and the oil cylinder. The overhead conveyor transports raw paper from the paper carrying machine to the preheater. The vertical column is equipped with an automatic paper receiving device to facilitate the paper receiving of the roll, and a spring roller to automatically regulate the tension of raw paper on both sides. It facilitates production of low-weight special paper, realizes non-stop paper receiving, saves time, and improves efficiency. The preheater is used to reduce the water content in each single-layer raw paper to guarantee the glue absorption of raw paper. The preheating cylinder has a large cylinder diameter, and a large wrap angle adopts steam heating or electrical heating. The electrical heating temperature can be set between 50 degrees C and 200 degrees C at will, and it adopts digital display control. It automatically maintains constant temperatures, saves energy, and improves cardboard quality. The automatic edge aligning machine is used to align multiple layers of raw paper on one side, so as to reduce waste caused by paper edges that aren't aligned. It utilizes a coordinated servo motor control device. According to the deviation of paper edges, The testing head controls the deviation rectifying device to basically keep paper edges in a fixed position. It has a good edge aligning effect. The glue spreading machine is used to evenly spread glue on all layers of raw paper. Users can choose different glue spreading methods according to different paper types. The amount of spread glue is about 15 to 30 grams per square meter. Every glue spreading unit adopts independent VF drive. It independently stops as the glue spreading machine starts. The glue spreading speed can synchronize with the production line. The fusing machine is used to stick multiple layers of glued paper together. Before the fusing of raw paper, it goes through the stretch roller to guarantee neat, smooth cardboard in producing low-weight special paper. The compacting machine is used to further compact fused cardboard, to guarantee that all layers of raw paper fuse firmly. The compression roller is a rubber roll and the drive roller is a steel roller. It adopts VF drive and pneumatic compression. The dryer is used to dry cardboard to remove moisture and level cardboard. It adopts steam heating or electrical heating and is equipped with a temperature control device and a closed, thermally insulted box. The dried cardboard is neat and smooth. The dryer has thermal efficiency and is especially suitable for combination of special paper. The cooling and forming machine is used for cooling and forming of dried cardboard to guarantee that cardboard is smooth and doesn't deform. The traction machine and the slitting machine are used for edge slitting of formed cardboard and transform it to the transverse cutting machine. The traction machine and the slitting machine are an integrated machine. The slitting machine can move horizontally towards right and left sides and automatically adjust the cutter. The transverse cutting machine cuts cardboard according to length requirements and then transports it forward. It is mainly composed of a paper cutting unit, a transport unit, an output unit, a lubricating unit, a machine body, an Italian phase servo control system, and a Siemens color touchscreen operating system. It automatically follows the speed of the production line and features a small shearing force of the serrated spiral cutter, low noise and smooth cardboard cuts. The stacking machine is used to stack cut cardboard according to requirements. When the pallets of basket-type stacking machine and the hydraulic lifting and stacking machine for horizontal transport are replaced, the production line doesn't need to stop. The hydraulic lifting and stacking machine is suitable for production of lengthened cardboard. The maximum stacking height and length can be customized according to requirements of customers.